Knafeh. It's cheesy, it's sweet, it's just, yeah, it really is that good. And with these giant spinning trays of Knafeh, who could blame me for taking a 2-hour bus trip from Jerusalem to Nablus, then to walk to the Old City in order to go to my favorite Knafeh spot to get a bite of this golden goodness. It starts with a kayadif, and the pans are generously greased, and then the kayadif that's been ground up is placed in an even layer on top of the pan. This will eventually be the top layer of the Knafeh. Then the pans are taken over to the cheese station where the crumbled unsalted cheese is placed on top, and then the whole pan is placed on a nice rotating open flame. The flame will cook the Knafeh until it's nice and golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. And now it's time for the moment of truth. The pan is magically flipped over and then it's placed on a rack. And of course, it's not complete without adding the sugar syrup right on top. Oh, that looks so good. And then piping hot, the Knafeh is taken out to serve immediately. And of course, no trip to Nablus is complete without trying the Knafeh. It is an art form to watch them produce it, and I was told that they produce anywhere from 40 to 50 of these large pans of Knafeh every single day. Oh, that's just amazing. So of course, I had to get a sample, and I must admit this is my second one. I took one to go because it's just so delicious, and I gobbled up the first one so quickly. So let's give it a try. All right. Diving right in, and oh my goodness, do you see this cheesy goodness? Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks amazing. Okay, time to dive right in. As crazy as it sounds, Knafeh is like a nostalgic taste for me because my mom used to make these corn pancakes when I was little. And the kayadif on top is ground up. It's not shredded, it's ground. And that's what the flavor kind of reminds me of. And the cheese is a plain neutral flavor with the sugar syrup. It's amazing. Oh, bite number 2. I mean, you can't visit Nablus. Let me correct that. You can't even come to Jerusalem without coming to Nablus and trying the Knafeh because it's just that good. Bite number 3. Oh my gosh, look at that. So much cheesy, delicious, sweet goodness. Delicious. So I have a nice big bite. It's so cheesy, still warm. Always good. Always good.